sleep in Hayden's room.
Okay, so this is my dog Blaze. Back in the day, me and Mom used to call him Pig.
Okay.
He snorts like a pig.
Oh, stop it. No, you're not scratching your ears. I'll put drops in your ears.
Hi, Blazy. Dude, this is a camera. Blazy, this is a camera.
Say hi to Daddy.
The craziest thing is we just ordered McDonald's and we ordered the dog a burger.
He needed a little burger. Yeah.
Blaze! Look, I can't even get it. I can't, My dog's going crazy.
Sit. Good boy.
Blaze! Hey, come on, turn towards the camera, Blaze.
He won't let me put my hand on his. He has to put his hand on me. Yes, I know, shenanigans. I know you want your burger.
And then he just leaves.
Go let him out because the delivery people will be here in a minute.
Yay.
That's all we need is
Blaze came here because he got scratched on the nose by another dog. Hi, Blazy. Hi, Blaze. See why we call him Pig? He snorts like a pig. Come on, Blaze. Come on, Blaze. Go outside, Bubba. Come on, Blaze. I really hope my phone can adjust the sun. Come on, Blaze. Yep, so this is my backyard. This is my backyard. Got a punching bag, got a trampoline, and got a dartboard. And that's Bleach's cage. You have to go back inside. I know, Bubba. I don't want to lock you outside either. This is my Christmas tree. Deck the halls with bounds of holly. La, 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 la. I'm gonna eat burgers.